Good Sunday morning, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith on August 8th, 8/8/2021. We're looking at the Asbury Park Boardwalk cam at sunrise this morning. There's one lonely person here and a bird coming out of the water here. Swells coming in, cloudy skies, and it's raining. There has been some rain around here as well overnight, and especially south of this. And if we looked at this cam right now of the boardwalk this morning and the waves coming in near the convention center, well, this place was packed yesterday, but obviously it's been soaked by rain overnight tonight, and early this morning you can see it from the lights coming down. Taking a look at this surface image from this morning off of the COD site, COD Meteorology. Winds are out off of the ocean here. Some fog, some rain around, some drizzle. Yeah, it's not such a nice morning outside. No. We told you so, though, right? Moderate to light rain around the area. Broken clouds, overcast skies. Lots of low-level cloud cover here. Light rain to moderate rain across the region. Temperatures are in the 60s. Dew points are in the 60s. Humidity is about 100%. And the wind is variable, mostly coming in from the east here in central and southern New Jersey's coastline. And it's not pretty out there. Other wind directions coming in from the northwest behind this disturbance is a little tight little thing coming through here this morning. Yeah, it's been one of those mornings where, we're fixing things on our systems here and also doing meteorology at the same time. So I'm going to stop this for just a second and move this forward. It's our tight little area of low pressure here off of the southeast, off of the Delmarva coast here. This morning with a board max here out over the ocean, another board max closer to the coast. This is very interesting because it's an onshore flow here, and then a west flow underneath this, and a northwest flow coming in. So behind this little tight packed system. And if we went back just a few hours ago, there was quite a lot of rain that fell in central and southern New Jersey, by the way, and very good frontogenetic forcing with this little ditty bop here coming in. So yeah, we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Let's see if we pull this up. Start off again with the Rutgers University Meteorology Program in New Brunswick, New Jersey, where it is 66 degrees this morning at 6:45 a.m. Winds are out of the north-northeast at about 2 to 7 miles per hour. And you can see the rain is exiting here off the coast, but it's stretching with frontogenetic forcing all the way through the New York City area and northern New Jersey. Let's get into the temperatures right now. Temperatures are in the 60s just about everywhere. Minimum temperatures this morning, they were probably not that low. They're about where they are right now, and that makes sense. Dew point temperatures are going to be probably saturated in the 60s, and that makes the relative humidity values here quite high, almost about 100% in spots. Here's the latest radar. The rain is exiting the coast here, but this is some moderate rain coming down through central and southern New Jersey's coastline this morning. Another batch of moderate rain pushing into New York City and Long Island at the time and just offshore. Once again, that sharp cutoff that we talked about yesterday over northern New Jersey. But look, we've had over 1.5 to 2 inches of rain. This spot here, Milica Township here in southern New Jersey, reporting 2.86 inches. Great Egg Harbor River at Folsom, HADS Network reporting 3.44. That looks a little bit spurious to me, but it has rained very heavy over these areas. Dennis Township about 2.8 inches. So, if you were near this area of low pressure, on the frontogenetic side, on the northwest side of frontogenetic forcing, that's where you took a hit. Visibility is being reduced in that rain as well. a little bit of fog here in northern New Jersey and Pennsylvania as well. Using the simple water vapor channel clear view here of all levels of the water vapor channel, low, medium, and high, we're finding that as this area of low pressure gets off the coast here, there's breaks. There's no precipitation falling now where it was earlier this morning. And the wind profiles, again, coming in from off the ocean as this exits out to the northeast. And then we have a southerly flow and a westerly flow dampening out this throughout the day. But I have to tell you, this doesn't look too good to me, because when we look at the cloud cover, there is clearing here, and it's not quite sunrise here yet, or maybe just after that. Let's see what the visible satellite shows. Visible satellite is just coming up, so it's going to take a little time. Shortwave IR will tell us a better story here. Interesting to note, the mid-level water vapor is clearing the atmosphere out in southern New Jersey, where it rained heavy during the last 6 or 7 hours. Lower level water vapor, again, shows that dry sinking air everywhere except this area here. And the upper level water vapor, if this comes on, same kind of thing. But the mid-level water vapor is what's interesting to me. Let's get back here. Mid-level water vapor, there you go. So there's still plenty of water vapor in the atmosphere, which means that the sky cover is not going to be so clear. And again, now under the area of low pressure that's off the eastern United States coast here, off the Delmarva here, with our short waves exiting, we still have an onshore flow, but in the low-level water vapor imagery, it's showing a lot of clearing now, and the visible satellite is actually going to start to show this as the sun's coming up and the visible satellite is in view. There is some partial sunshine here occurring over the region. Will this last? That's the next question. Let's look at the latest HRR model guidance for the cloud cover. It's very omnipresent, actually, throughout the day. Not so much the high cloud cover, but the total cloud cover, the low cloud cover is going to linger around the coast and most of New Jersey. And you can see it here with our storm system, our low pressure area here off of the southern New Jersey coast as we head into the afternoon, and the onshore flow too. Medium cloud cover, well, that's going to break up a little bit across northwestern New Jersey. Of course, it's going to be completely clear here in Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, but right along the coast, this is going to be a challenge to get this cloud cover out of here as we head into the overnight hours. So the total cloud cover is pretty persistent right here over southern New Jersey, all of New Jersey actually. Dry air, sunshine here, mid-level cloud cover, a lot of sunshine coming into northwestern New Jersey and the rest of the forecast area for today. Total cloud cover, and of course the low cloud cover. Yeah, it's going to linger. So it depends on where you are, but if you're at the coast into southern Long Island and New York City, not so good. Again, from the HRR model version 4, any additional precipitation here is going to be focused right along the coast and on the south shore and east ends of Long Island. So it's a very tight gradient here between precipitation and cloud cover 2, which we just showed you. And with all that cloud cover and rain comes temperatures in the 70s. Here, and here, okay? 80s, and where there's clearing here in western Pennsylvania and down through the Virginias here, it's going to get back into the mid and upper 80s today. That all changes tomorrow when things clear out. Temperatures rebound back into the upper 80s again in most areas. We're probably going to need heat advisories again early this week as we head into Tuesday. Temperatures again in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Again, on Wednesday, same kind of thing. Oh yeah. And Thursday. And Friday. Yeah. Not much change. And of course, I have a lot more to say about the tropics and just about everything else. Here's a lot of people here with their dogs here. I don't know. They're all dressed up in black and raincoats or something here. Maybe this is the Amish people. I'm not sure. Winds coming offshore. They have raked the sand here. Swells coming in from off the ocean this morning at about 8 o'clock in real time. Here's the boardwalk cam here. Yeah, still a little fuzzy, still some rain and stuff coming down here. One or two lonely joggers here. Here's a lonely jogger right there on the webcam this morning. Yeah, he's jogging down. Yeah, there he is. You see that? Yeah, and the waves coming in too. Well, not a great day at the beach, I can tell you that. And it's not going to happen